Okay, in the previous videos, we guided you on how to create a new project in Unity. And now, here we are, inside Unity. Awesome. This is where you are going to craft your game from scratch. But the first thing that I want you to do is to don't worry. I know we have a lot of menus, a lot of fields, buttons. We have a lot of things going on here. But trust me, in no time, everything that you see will make a lot of sense and feel natural to you. Just trust me. They only look scary because your brain sees not much sense in it. It does not know yet. It is just a bunch of nonsense information. But as we go, all of those things will start becoming useful, like really useful. And when you start recognizing its value, then the reward system in your brain will work, and you will learn it.
Now, I could start explaining button by button everything, but you would only understand a few things, and you probably would get overwhelmed by the amount of information. To give you some answers, first I need you to have some questions. And to have some questions, I need you to explore everything first.
Hey, are you enjoying the content so far? We have some guided projects that will help you to create your games in Unity. This way, you create cool stuff while helping us to keep providing high-quality content.
The fastest way to make your brain learn something is by trial and error. So imagine the game that you want to create and ask yourself, well, what do I need to create here in Unity to look like what I am thinking? What looks like the place where the game is? Does it have a floor? Well, to create a floor, I need to create a plane or a cube. And how do I create a cube? And you should try to discover how to create a cube. What is the difference between this scene and game tap? What are the elements in the scene? What happens if I move this? By doing this exercise, you are accelerating your learning process. Pause the video, explore everything. Don't be afraid of breaking anything, and get back here when you become bored. Okay, now that you've finished your first contact, you should have some answers, and of course, questions. Now that your brain is prepared, you are ready to dive in and answer those questions in the next video.